Forgetting your Apple ID password can feel like a major setback, but recovering it only takes a few minutes. This tutorial will show you exactly how to reset your password using your iPhone, a web browser, and how to remove Apple ID from your device with an effective tool. Let's get you back into your account. So, you've forgotten your Apple ID password. It's a common problem, but thankfully, Apple provides a few simple ways to reset it directly from your iPhone or a web browser. The easiest method is to use your iPhone itself. Step 1. Simply open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top. Step 2. Then, tap Sign In and Security, followed by Change Password. Note, if you're already logged in, you can just enter your device passcode and set a brand new Apple ID password right away. If you can't access your iPhone settings, you can use any web browser. Step 1. Go to account.apple.com and click Forgot Apple ID or Password. Step 2. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID, and then you can choose to get instructions emailed to you or answer your preset security questions to reset your password. The entire process is designed to be quick and secure, usually taking just a few minutes. So don't panic, just follow these steps and you'll be back into your account in no time. Suppose you're locked out of your iOS device due to a forgotten Apple ID or password. In that case, FoneLab iOS Unlocker provides a professional and reliable solution to remove the activation lock and regain access quickly. This specialized tool efficiently bypasses both Apple ID and screen passcode locks, even without the original credentials, through a simple process that typically requires just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Download and install FoneLab iOS Unlocker on your computer. Step 2. Launch the program and connect your iPhone or iPad and establish trust with the computer. Step 3. Select Remove Apple ID and click the Start button. Finally, your device will restart completely free of the Apple ID lock. If you also want to reset or remove the forgotten Apple ID, don't hesitate to try FoneLab iOS Unlocker to get your device back with ease. Enjoying this? Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and smash that bell to get notified whenever we post a new tutorial. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. See you next time.